The purpose of this project is to design, build, and test a planetary gear train. We wanted to combine two inputs at 1000 RPM and enter it into one output at 500 RPM. This is part of a larger project called the benchtop hybrid powertrain. For our particular design, we used a differential gear train. Alright, here's our differential gear train. If we hold the left shaft constant and spin the right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, it takes 4 spins of this to make 1 spin of the sprocket. If we hold the right shaft and we spin the left, it takes 1, 2, 3, 4 spins to get that, which means if you were to hold one shaft constant and put 1000 RPM input, it would give you a 250 RPM output on the sprocket. If we spin both shafts at the same time, 1, 2, it takes 2 spins to spin this once. So if there's each side has 1000 RPM input, there will be a 500 RPM output. For our differential gear train, we're going to hold one side constant and spin the other at approximately 1000 RPMs. That should put about 250 RPMs on the sprocket. We're at about 930, 950. And that's putting about 240 on the sprocket. For the next one, we're going to hold the other side constant and spin this side at approximately 1000 RPMs. That will put about 250 RPMs out on the sprocket. It's at about 1000. Now we go to the other side. About 250. For this third and final test, we're going to put 1000 RPM input on this shaft and 1000 RPM input on this shaft. Together they will output 500 RPMs onto the sprocket.